All right. Hello, everyone. Just trying to show you, give you an update on what I'm trying to do. This is one of the challenges that I am trying to complete and get funded. For those of you that don't know what getting funded means, is you go to a prop firm. In this case, I chose to fund the trader. Um, Currently, they are the ones. There's many of them, but currently this is the one that worked for me here in the United States. I am doing the one phase night pro challenge, 100K. You could choose different denominations, 5,000, 10,000, etc. I am not being sponsored by them. I am just showing you what I am trying to accomplish. Um, so according to this, I have a goal to achieve. It's about $10,000 that I have to achieve before I get funded. I will receive a certificate of completion. Once I do that, I will agree to their terms and conditions, and then I will be withdrawing money accordingly, and I will keep you guys updated on the steps. So my target goal to reach is $10,000. Currently, I am at a 1.23% profit. My current winning rate is 90%, loss rate 10%. Um, One thing about this specific challenge is you have to, as you can see, you have to have 3 consecutive days of 0.25% gain each day. So far, I've only been training on this for 3 days. Another reason why I'm streaming this is because I want to have some accountability. I want to be forced to show my everyday, and I don't deviate from my trading plan. As you can see, these are my winning um, percentage and my winning trades. I am mainly focusing on the US 30, gold, and the Euro USD, since those are very volatile. Uh, let's see. Oh, that's that. Okay, I'm just gonna put this to the side. Trading view. have multiple pairs that I am currently looking, but whenever there are pairs that I'm interested in trading throughout the day, I just move it up by preference. I hide it like this. But let's see. Check my. Let's see. Check, check. The quality is, let me see the quality video output. Perfect. Perfect. So these are time zones. Asian session, New York, London, and so on. The green separates each day. Let's see. Get to this previous side of the day. Just gonna mark it. I respected it. It's so good. So I put us pretty slow today. Interesting. Wow. So currently this, I know you guys cannot see it, this one is gold versus the US dollar. Let me know if you guys can see this background. I like to have it like this because it doesn't strain my eyes so much. You can see that it broke past on the 30 minutes on the daily. These areas that need to be covered on the daily. So you see, these boxes represent the gaps that are yet to be filled. This is already filled. I mean, it needs to be filled, and That's where it's heading right now. Wow, key level right here. Big resistance. I mean support. This is the 1 hour. Also, you guys have to see whenever the time zones are in confluence, there's a higher probability that the price will reach that area rather than going any other way. On a higher time frame, we could see that gold it's bullish. Gold has been bullish. There's a change of structure here. Lower high, right lower low. No, it has not created this lower high because it has not broken past this area. You can see possible. Maybe this is like a head and shoulders here. Possibly a head and shoulders. Or something like this. Maybe not. I'm not gonna force a head and shoulder, but probably is in lower time frames. That's why the head and shoulder is a reversal pattern. As you can see on the daily, it played to perfection. If you would have wait for this retracement, enter. See this big push on the downside. We could have done a Fibonacci right here. Let's bring this a little bigger. Oops. Let's bring this a little bigger. Alright, we have a possible head and shoulders right here. Big move. Alright. This is the daily. Look at that. He did whatever is your preference. Some people do it on the wick. Some people do it on the wick. If you were to be on the wick, would I give you a 60% retracement on the dot? Now you would have put a sell order right here. Short order, you would have shorted. Let's see, how many proof? It's a lot. Let's say you risk 1%. This gave a whole 1 to 4, 1 to 6. Wow, it would be a solid trade right here. And it went all the way down to this area right here. This order block right here to perfection almost, yeah. Just trying to see what price is gonna do right here. Did you see the order block? Or almost. I do think that it might go down again. Find demand and then go straight up to supply. Because we know gold is still high. This is the highest gold has ever been, 2,790. Could put one right here. Could put what is this, a daily? Daily target zone. once you identify the zones and the supply and demand, the way order blocks, you could check them out, take those indicators out. I'm waiting to see what price is going to do, but I'm very interested in this. I'm very interested. You can see the gold, it's 0.96% positive. I'm trying to see how this candle is going to react. The 1 hour candle is about to close in 1 minute 30 seconds. You can see it broke past this. You might retrace a little bit before it goes on the upside. So nice to see an upward move. This is the lower low. Lower low. I mean, lower high, higher high. Off. This broken. Anyway. Could possibly see something like this. Sure. Oh, I'm sorry. Hit some targets. Come back down. Test this area. Since this area is a good support. Before it heads to the true area of supply, which is up here. Or try this reverses. Since this is a strong area right here. I might consolidate this area. Right? Before it heads down to this cap area. This is possible, but either move it's good. Either move both of the move has gaps. Both of the move has gaps. Just don't know which one it's gonna take because we see an uptrend. I just have to see how this candle closes right here. Let's see. Closer look. There's not that much momentum. Not so volatile on this time. Would like to see. Would like to see the market. So we have no major news. Oh yes, we do. We have news Friday, 6 a.m. from the British pound all the way to 8:30 p.m. So 6 a.m. and then 8:30 p.m. So that's kind of good. It won't interfere with trading day. So during the London session will be okay. Then once the New Year session, pre-New Year session starts, we might have to be forced to stop trading and wait to see how the market reacts to this news. So this is Canadian and Britain. GBP. This is someone speaking over there. This is on the on the 1 hour time frame. 50 minutes. There's a lot of persistence right here. It might bounce here for a little minute. If it doesn't break past this area, there's no point in buying. I need to see some buyers taking the lead over here. Yeah, this moves, it's good. You might hit this order block, but the move I really want, it's on the downside. Reject, break this zone, and then we're back on this consolidation area that we could just wait until it goes back down, retest this area. I'd rather see price consolidating between these lines than waiting to catch the move on the upside, because it's a bigger gap to cover. Let me see how many pips here. From here to here, about 4. Oof. It's a lot, 4,000 something. Versus 9, sorry, that's a 9 and 49, 50 pips and versus 9. So yeah, the thing about trading is you just want to find the highest probability that will go in your favor. You cannot win all of them. We have to be patient. We have to see it go, break this zone, retest it, and then go on the upward. This is the key move right here. Up. I don't know how high is it gonna go because we have some consolidation over here. It might repeat this, but this is good because if it consolidates here, which is, it already did some of that over here. I don't think it's gonna consolidate here. There might be some retracement, slight retracement, before it keeps going up. And my goal is to make $10,000 in the account, as you guys could see right here. Even if I take $300 a day, that's perfectly fine. It's a slow and steady process, and there's no time to complete it. It's playing out. So let's see. Let's see what happens. I would like to see this candle go up, then retest this on before I enter. I'd rather see this candle go up, retest, because I want to make sure that this is going to keep going up all the way. So, this is the 15-minute. You can see in the 5-minute. It's kind of shake wrist. Okay, perfect. And guys, my strategy is just going with the flow, seeing how the market reacts. As you can see, it's pushing. It's pushing this right here. It's 2 pip. That's fine. Waiting for some type of rejection. For some type of retracement, because we have a head and shoulders right here. See, head and shoulder, and then reverse. This is good. Reverse, reverse. This is good. Maybe I could enter on the 2664 zone on a pullback. Okay. Using 50% discount. If it hits the zone, it might bounce from here. I'll need to see a red candle touch this area before I could go. That would be the beauty. Okay. Oh, sorry. Let's see if we retrace. I need to see a retracement to this area. Let's see. Let's wait it out. Let's see if it retraces to the 50%. It's a good retrace before it pulls back up. And this is well, I don't say it's my strategy, but like what I'm trying to do is just scalp it. Once I get in, market price, and scalp it all the way up. We're starting to see some consolidation. Let's see if it retraces to that zone, that 50% zone. It's a little bit more. Okay, it's bouncing from this area right here. Previously. Just need to break. One more. 50%. 15% retracement on that move. Sometimes you don't want to anticipate it, you don't want to miss. Yeah, 15 and 60%. Oh Lord. Got in there. See how it did the retracement to the 60%. And let's just wait it out. I'm just gonna show you guys that I am currently in. Oh, sorry. I am in the trade. You can see the currency, it's spiking on the upwards. Now we need to see if it breaks these highs right here. And this is in the 1 minute time frame, guys. I'm already up $94. $100. You can move this, it's gonna be a free trade, break even. If it plays out, plays out. Look at that, broke the highs. If you want, you can secure profits right here to a 1-to-1 first target, or you can keep it up, let it ride, since this is a free trade. Now we can see the gold, you know, it's going on the upwards, has a lot of room to cover. Alright guys, I just secured my profits right here. Literally secure my profits. And if you guys are still holding, you guys, this is a risk-free trade because you are placing your stop loss on entry, so you won't lose any money. If it goes against you, fine, whatever, you didn't lose anything, but at least you learn how to properly manage the risk to reward. Definitely gold has potential. This is incredible for a higher, you know. This is 15 minutes. Look at this move in 15 minutes, it tanked. And I think right now what it's doing is recovering, carving all this gap right here, all the fair value gap right here. I'm just gonna let it ride. You see, you guys can see after closing my trade, I'm already up. I'll show you right now. Let me refresh this. This is the old one. I'm waiting for it to reload. And it's very important, guys, to have a journal, or the good thing about the platform is that they track your trade, so you can always analyze what you did. I'm waiting for these XAU USD, which is right here, the last one that I took, gold trade. Hasn't loaded up yet. See, I was able to secure right there, but that's the thing with trading, you just never know what the market's gonna show you. And we're still in profit. You still has not been stopped out because you guys put your stop loss entry. So there might be some retracement before it keeps going on the upwards. You know, sometimes you just gotta trust, analyze what the market is printing, and you guys should be in the good clear. That's a big retracement. This is in the 50 minutes. Let's see the 1 minute. Wow. It literally went back down. Okay, that would have taken you guys out by there. But let's see what it does. Let's see if we retrace our our strategy. Let's see if we from here bounces back up. It might consolidate here. Do another head and shoulder. Possible head and shoulder, head, another shoulder, goes down, and before it goes back to the upside. That's the thing with gold, it's very volatile, you gotta be on top of it. And once you trade, you secure your profits, you're out of there. You see what it's doing now? It went back down to retest 60% discount retracement. As you can see, a 60% retracement, and then it might shoot up. Yep. So accumulation, manipulation, and distribution. The price accumulator right here, it's called AMD. The accumulator manipulated these highs and it distributed to find this order block. Let's see. Try to how to do this order block. This is probably gonna go all the way down to here. Might feel this previous candle of the move of the push. You might feel this as it's just gonna probably tap it and then reverse to the upside. Let's see. This is a key area. Let's see what it does. Yeah, touched it. It should bounce. Touch this. Oh, very strong sell. Wow. Wow. Clear this area. Oh, that's another order block right here. The previous candle before the move. This is already covered here. I don't see another order block. Maybe down here. It's not. Let's see what price does. And this move are only the change. It's only $2.62, 64. Oh no, a total of $4 drawdown. Alright guys, I want to show you the trade I just took. Alright. Right here. Use it quick $200. Open time, it was a 612. Alright, 612. 614. So 2 minutes. 2 minutes, $200. And that's it. You close and you come back tomorrow. There is no need for me to continue trading. I do not want the market to weak me out. Currently, was able to raise my account to 1.42%. Currently almost 1,500. If I divide, just divide. Let's see, calculator. What I have left? That's 9,000. Let's say I have 9,500 left. Right, divided by 30. In 30 days, I just have to at least do $315. I'm fine today because this is the London session. I might be back on the US, on the New York session at around 8. we already know that there's gonna be some news. So I'll be back in the Euro session. I just made 200. I just have to do $115, and I should be good for the day. That will complete my $316 target for the day. And like that, in 30 days, I should be completely challenged. So let's see what price does right here. So we could come back to this. You can see what other ones are doing. This is the US 30, so big market. Oh my God, this is so beautiful. Because this is consolidating. It's kind of like telling you, I'm gonna go up, I will go down, I will go up, I will go down. You could capitalize from all these moves. This is the 1 minute. You see? I will stay away from this. I mean, it's a risky trade. I will stay away from this because it's a consolidation. What you really want are the long moves. This right here. This is what you want. You know, work less. Over here, you spend 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trying to wait for a trade versus you enter. You see the trade played out. Same thing right here. You probably enter. You saw the move down. You already know it's going up, down. You see the repetition, up, down, and then you would just anticipate this by saying, okay, if it went down here, I will think that it's gonna go back up. You know, market is just about probabilities. No one really knows the answer to this other than your own emotions and how do you trade on a daily basis. And that's it. Another thing, guys, you guys are gonna see that most pairs are move alike. Anything that it's backed up by the dollar or it's abstract towards the dollar, like Euro USD. Let me see, not anything that's AUD USD. You see, these two completely currencies, they all go versus the dollar, and they're up on an uptrend. This is beautiful right here. News came up the other day, and I tried these, and I caught a great move. What was it? I forgot what it was, but I know I caught a great move. Alright guys, I'm going to sign out. I'll see you guys back at 8. I'm going to do another live stream. All these videos are going to be saved. So for future replays, if you guys want to come back and analyze the market. I am no expert, but I am trying to complete this challenge with the 1 second. So the news for tomorrow. I am no expert, but I am trying to complete this challenge. I've only been trading on this challenge for about 3 days, 14 hours, about to be 4 days. Remember, this is a marathon, not a sprint. If you're brand new, you're going to blow up accounts. You're going to lose challenges, and just learn from it. I have lost so much money because I became greedy. I don't want this to happen ever again. I am trying to use prop firm because I don't have the capital. As you can see, this is a $100,000. This is a $100,000 equity. I do not have $100,000 to trade, but the good thing is that they are allowing me to trade. It's a profit split. I get 95, they keep 5, and we keep it moving. There are some restrictions. You cannot lose $5,000 or more in a single day, and an overall loss of 8,000 you will breach the account and you will lose your initial investments of. I paid $200 for this because they require a payment to access this. Of course, they're letting you trade, and they're trying testing your skill so you could, become a great trader, and in hopes that you could trade for them. Let's see the competition. There's people that are actually doing pretty good. I'll register for this. There's people that are doing pretty good. Interesting. I don't know. There's a competition. Leaderboard. This person right here has profited. Robert B has profited $10,000. It's interesting. He doesn't go for that much. Let's see what's type of. He has a $100,000. Paul, dashboard was Paul. I don't know who's Paul. But yeah, this person has $14,000. Interesting. All right. Let's see how gold is behaving. Let's see, this is our. See, going down, retracement. Alright guys, I'm going to end this stream here. See you guys in the next one.